What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Run by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or else I'll backflip kick you in the chops. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. This song is sampling the chords from Solo for So Long by Shiloh Dynasty, which I have a tutorial for that as well, and it will be linked where the little I is up here. You can click on the I and find that video there. These are all the exact same chords, they're just, they're down, I think it's down a whole step or a step and a half. I'll show you exactly where they're playing them, so let's jump into it. Your first chord is going to be here. It's going to be index finger on your 4th fret on your low E, and then you're going to go ring finger on the 5th fret on your D string, pinky finger on the 5th fret on your G string, middle finger 4th fret on your B string. And for all these chords, your fingers are going to be picking the 4 strings that your right hand is going to be picking the 4 strings that your left hand are pressing down. So for this chord, it's low E with your thumb, you're going to go D string with your index finger, G string with your middle finger, and ring finger is going to pick the B string. Your next chord is going to be, you're going to go down to the 3rd fret on the low E string with your index finger. You're going to put your middle finger on the 4th fret on the G string and your ring finger on the 4th fret on the B string. And for those, you're picking the same exact strings with your right hand. Thumb on the low E, index finger on the D, middle finger on the G, ring finger on the B. Next chord is going to be here. It's going to be 3rd fret middle finger on the A string, 1st fret index finger on the D string, 3rd fret G string ring finger, 3rd fret B string pinky finger. And that's the same way. You're picking the low E, you're picking the low A with your thumb, you're picking the D with your index finger, G with your ring finger, or your middle finger, B with your ring finger. Finally, you're going here. It's going to be index finger on the 1st fret of the low E string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And that's the same way, thumb on the low E there, index finger on the D string, middle finger on the G string, ring finger on the B string. That's it for the chords and the finger placements. Once you get that down, all you need is the rhythm. It's going to be 4 counts on each chord, and on the 3rd, you're going to pick on the 1st, and then mute on the 3rd. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.